Mr. Zal's Classroom. Hi everyone, this is Mr. Zal Classroom. Today we're going to be reading an amazing book from a good friend of mine and an author, Venkatesh Sudharshan. Hi Venkatesh.
Hi, Mr. Zal. My name is Venkatesh Sudharshan, and I am pleased and honored to be part of Mr. Zal's Classroom. Today, I am going to read my new book, Fruit Salad, Fruit Salad. On a bright and sunny morn, I sang a happy song at dawn. I woke up early. Yay! Hooray! It's going to be an awesome day! With gold stars, treats, and fun at school, came home, jumped in the backyard pool. It felt like I could touch the sky, so happy I could almost fly. The next day, I was feeling down and woke up with a great big frown. I spilled my ice-cold strawberry milk all down my white shirt made of silk. And then a boo-boo made me shout. Ouch, ouch, that hurts, I blurted out. Why did I feel so sad and down? All I could do was moan and frown. Mom said, we need to cheer you up. We all have sad days, Buttercup. So let's go out and have some fun right after all your homework's done. To change my mood, what would be best? A market, a fair, or maybe a fest? Some fun with friends? Yes, that's my target. Let's go to the farmer's market. Froggy, Sally, Sneaky too, jumped in the car and joined our crew. Then with the broom and with the toot, we all went off to buy some fruit. But at the market, big and wide, young Sneaky snuck away to hide. And searching was a tricky game, for Sneaky lived up to his name. Through all the stalls of fruit we searched, as on my shoulder Froggy perched. Then in the snake gourd stand we found Sneaky hiding on the ground. My mom bought fruits and paid with money, grabbed a jar of yummy honey, pulled out Sneaky from the gourds, then headed home with our fruit hoards. At home, a tune came to my head, and my sister wrote the words I said. Before we cut the mango, let's all do the tango. Fruit salad, fruit salad, fruit salad. Before we cut the grapes, let's all learn our shapes. Fruit salad, fruit salad, fruit salad. Before we cut the plums, let's bang on the drums. Fruit salad, fruit salad, fruit salad. Before peeling the bananas, cha-cha like in Havana. Fruit salad, fruit salad, fruit salad. Before we cut the pears, please remember to share. Fruit salad, fruit salad, fruit salad. We've chopped up the apple, so let's try a sample. Fruit salad, fruit salad, fruit salad. Eat healthy, be happy. Fruit salad, fruit salad, fruit salad.
I would like to thank Venkatesh Sudharshan for stopping by reading Fruit Salad, Fruit Salad. It was an awesome book, and I hope everyone enjoyed it. So thanks for watching Mr. Zal's Classroom. Till next time, bye-bye.